Okay, there you have it. Some top trading ideas. We filled you in with a lot of technical picks. Kotak Mahindra Bank, M&M Finance, and BPCL are some of the top ideas. Prathamesh Mallya is with us now on the show as well to walk us through his top strategies on the commodity space. And Prathamesh, what is it that you make of crude oil prices? Where do you see them settle?
Good morning, Awan. It's been a very choppy trading session as far as crude oil is concerned. It's been consolidating in a very narrow range of 100 rupees in the past few trading sessions. Although we see that commodities have had a good run up in the past few trading sessions, you talk about gold, silver, copper, nickel. We see this momentum in crude oil lacking. We see profit booking in this counter in the short term. However, the trend for the counter remains positive. As such, we are advising a buy side strategy in crude for February contract at around 3560. 3570, stop loss would be 3520 for target higher towards 3650, 3700.
The view on crude. Prathamesh, what about gold? That one has seen some safe haven buying. What's your view on how this could move going forward?
Yes, gold and silver have seen quite a bit of run up in the past few trading sessions. You see a lot of uncertainty with regards to policies in the US, immigration policies, which is creating kind of safe haven demand for gold as well as silver. We are advising a buy side strategy in gold as well as in silver contract. Buy gold April contract around 29,150 mark, 29,200 is the range. Keeping a stop loss of 29,050 for target higher towards 29,500 and 29,450. In case of silver, also we are advising a buy side strategy in the March contract around 42,250 and 42,300 would be the range. For stop loss 41,950 for target higher towards 42,800.
Okay, and lastly, what's your view on copper? You know, there are some supply disruptions that are coming in some pockets of the world. Do you think that there could be more potential for copper to go up?
Copper in the base metal space has seen a good correction right from 408 mark, and it has corrected down towards 388. Although in the base metal space we see copper prices going down towards 370, but the immediate for intraday strategy that the trend remains high, we are advising a buy side in copper. But instead of in the base metal pack, instead of going for copper, we feel that nickel is the best pick. Nickel can go higher towards 705. So instead of copper, if somebody wants to buy anything in the base metal spec, nickel is a good strategy.
Okay, nickel over copper, that's Prathamesh's view. Thanks so much, Prathamesh, then, for joining us, giving us a sense on commodities. And of course, with that, we'd like to thank all of our guests for joining in on Buy Now Sell Now, answering all of our viewer queries, and of course, giving us their top recommendations. And with that, we're completely out of time on this edition of Buy Now Sell Now. Markets and macros will be coming up on Market Trends.